Hey everyone and welcome back to Crypto Scores. Quick one today, the Luna Crush Altrank 24-hour over weekly. You will find this one in the opportunity category and it's designed to give you a rapid pulse check on a project's social and market momentum right now. As a quick reminder, the Altrank is Luna Crush competitive ranking combining social media activity and market data. The lower the number, the better. This metric compares the last 24 hours to the weekly average, so you instantly see if today is stronger or weaker than what the week has been looking like. Why 24 hours? Because in crypto, news moves fast. One headline replaces another in hours. This time frame is ideal for catching the immediate impact of an event on social sentiment and market activity. Let's take a look at CFG as an example with a perfect opportunity score, 100 over 100 based on 13 opportunity metrics. When we scroll down, we can see the Luna Alt rank 24-hour over weekly in green. The ranking has barely moved. Today is in line with the week. Momentum is holding. Quick glance, green, move on. That's the kind of fast read this metric is built for. Let's take at the contrary Polygon X Matic with a perfect opportunity score 2, and when we scroll down, the Luna Altrank score is in red. The ranking has worsened sharply in the last 24 hours compared to the week. Attention is fading fast, social buzz has dropped and market activity has cooled. Something shifted today, worth investigating before making any move. As usual, you can click on the number and you go straight to the Altrank chart on Luna Crush, full history, trends, correlation with price, go see for yourself. Use this as your daily temperature check. Green, momentum is holding today. Red, something changed in the last 24 hours. It's fast, it's reactive, and it gives you an instant read before you dig deeper into anything else. As always, you are the analyst, the data is here, the link is here to Luna Crush, the decision is yours. Luna Crush Altrank 24-hour over weekly, the daily pulse. Check it on cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.